Thermal cutter is also named as thermal cutter, heating cutter, hot knife, hot cutter, and high temp cutter. Thermal cutter is the best tool for cleaning edges of SGP laminated glass. And we received many reviews about the thermal cutter after clients have been using it to clean glass edges. Here are some reviews we would like to share with you. Review 1. Good morning, Peter. Sorry about the delay in getting this info to you. The thermal cutters are working very well. We are very happy with them. I am sure we will be ordering more from you over the coming year. So thank you for all your help on this matter. Regards. Be in touch soon. Review 2. Peter. The thermal cutters were received in the afternoon of October 9th. I have already used them and they work great. Much better than the method I was using before. Review 3. Dear Olivia, my people are very happy with the cutting tool. We received many good feedback from clients. If you want to try the thermal cutter, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours. Thanks very much for your watching. Have a good day.